Hey guys, you can view route alternatives in Waze before you start driving and during your drive or walk. Okay, open Waze, search for your destination using the search bar magnifying glass icon. Hit your or tap on your destination from the list of search results. Okay, and what you're gonna do, just hit go now. Okay, and basically what you're gonna do, Waze will display the optimal route. To see other options, just swipe up. Okay, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and hit view route button if available, right next to the time, next to the time left. And as you can see, it says only one route found. If there is multiple routes that you can choose from, choose the route that is more convenient to you. A list of alternative routes and their estimated travel times will appear. Tap any route to select it, and same old. Tap go now to begin navigation. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.